This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Lynn LeCours. Incredible opportunity. Now's your chance to own 40 acres of pristine land with well and septic already installed, located across the street from the Cossayuna Lake public boat launch and new boat storage facility. This parcel is partially cleared and ready for building. A gorgeous stream runs along the south side of the property, and removing a few more trees would open up a spectacular year-round view of the lake. Please do not walk the property unaccompanied. An agent is required to be present. For more information, review the details below.